Good morning, everybody. Revaluation. We discussed two parts, but we didn't discuss how to make adjustments when assets are revalued again and again. Right, we'll take another example today. This is a land. $500,000. This is going to be revalued for revaluation amount 600,000. Now you can see there is a profit here 100,000, but the same asset has been revalued in the previous year and occurred 100,000 loss. 40,000 loss. Now think. Right. According to this example, in the previous year, there is a 40,000 loss. But in the current year, there is a profit, 100,000. Then, in the property, plant and equipment note, land, this is PPE note, balance 500,000 and revaluation for 600,000, then you can record the revaluation amount like this in the PPE note, no difference. But when you go to the income statement, right, here you have other comprehensive income, revaluation surplus. Here you have a surplus of 100,000. Surplus is recorded as other comprehensive income. But you can't record all 100,000. There is a loss coming from the previous year. Then set off the loss from the current profit. Then what happens? Under the other comprehensive income, we can record only 60,000 profit, not the 100,000. Then what happened to the 40,000 coming from the previous year? Think, in the previous year, it is an expense. So it is recorded as other expenses, that is revaluation deficit 40,000. In the previous year, that is recorded like this. We have to set off it, deduct from current year expenses, because in the previous year it is shown as an expense. So in this year we can deduct that value from the relevant expenses, and only 60,000 should be shown here as other comprehensive. This is the right. Then next one. Example number 2. Right. Now you think, cost is 500,000, revaluation amount is 420,000, loss is there, but in the previous year 30,000 surplus has been generated. Yes, what happens? Previous year 30,000 profit is there, current year 80,000 loss. Right. In PPE note, put your balance 500,000, revalue for 420, then value is deducted by 8,000. Then go to the income statement. Right. You have 80,000 loss. Losses are recorded as expenses. Revaluation deficit here. Not all 8,000. Set off this. Then your expense is only 50,000. Right? Because we cancel this 30,000 from this loss. Then what about this 30,000? This is a profit in the previous year. So in previous year, it is recorded as this in the previous year. We have to set off it in the current year. So deduct from relevant other comprehensive income. This is the right. That is the last part of the revaluation. Right. So we'll discuss some important lessons like this in coming videos.